Hey, what is up, y'all, and welcome to Yoga for Tense Neck. If your neck been a little stiff or a little tense, don't worry, I got you. We're going to do a couple of neck exercises to help that out. So first, we're going to start off by doing a seated or kneeled chest expansion, just interlacing your fingers and extending our arms behind us and raising our arms up. And then we're going to do a couple of shoulder rolls back. Nice and gentle, and then going forward. Then we're going to do some side neck bends, starting on the left or the right, whichever you prefer. And whichever side you started on, we're going to go the opposite way. So I started on my left, so I'm going to go to the right hand side now. And then we're going to bend our head forward. Inhaling through our nose and exhaling out through our mouth, and then slowly bringing it back. Again, going to the side. Going to the side again. Remember, breathing in and out. Nice and relaxed. We're not rushing. We're taking our time, going forward. And then bringing our head back. Now let's do a couple of head circles. Doesn't matter which way you start. Just bring your head in a circle. And go the opposite direction now. Breathing in and out nice and slow. Now let's do kneel, cat, and cow pose. So we're doing cow. Now let's do cat. Breathing in, going for cat pose, arching your back. And breathing out for cow as you're rounding your back. And another. And slowly doing some shoulder rolls now. And now we're doing some neck bends in a more of a cohesive flow. So side, side, forward, back, side to side, forward, and then back. Getting all that stiffness out. So I hope that has helped you with your neck, especially if you've been sitting all day. I hope that helped you out, and feel free to rewatch this video if you need to. And thank you for joining me, and I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. All right, signing off. Mwah.